Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah. Today on this Maintenance Monday, I'm going to talk about tire rotation. Join me. If you consult your owner's manual, particularly Chapter 8, is going to tell you that you need to rotate your tires, and this is for this particular model, every 10,000 miles or 6 months. Check your owner's manual to verify what's correct for your own tires, but rotating a dual axle tire is very simple. You jack the trailer up, switch these two tires, lower it back down, carry on about your day. Let's go over the procedures for that. Tools I need are your 4-way telescoping lug wrench that comes with your rig. I need a torque wrench. I need a way to jack the trailer up, and I need some chocks for the other side. So I have chalked the wheels on the other side, so this trailer is ready for jacking. Typically, right behind your rear axle here is a jacking point, and it's right along the frame rail. You can see a sticker here that says jack and a little square pad that says jack point. Let's take a look at that. And here's your jack sticker, and here's your jack point. The center of that is what you're aiming for. Once you locate your jack point and you have your jack, I have a floor jack here, which most people do not have. So whatever type of jack you have, make sure it's capable of jacking the trailer up high enough safely and get both wheels off the ground. Notice I have a block of wood under there, which does help give you some more surface area for the jacking procedure. Before you lift the trailer off the ground, it's best to loosen the lug nuts. And you do that using your 4-way lug wrench. Once they're loosened, then you can jack them up. And it only needs to come up so both tires are barely off the ground. Once you have both tires lifted off the ground, remove one, move it to the front, remove that one, move it to the back. Tighten down your lug nuts as best you can with this, and then drop it back to the ground and check the torque. Again, check your owner's manual for what torque is on your tire. This one particular one's 110 foot-pounds, so that's what I would torque these to upon lowering them back down. Again, consult your owner's manual in Chapter 8, and it talks about specifically rotating your tires here, when and how often and what to do to check your wheels. That's all for this Maintenance Monday. Thanks for joining me. Should you have any questions, check out our website, give us a call, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to help you out in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.